And on the issue of jobs, one business leader is reiterating his concern about the state of the local labor market. John Mahfood said if there's not an increase in skilled workers soon, Jamaica's growth rate could slow down next year and in the years to come.
If this problem is not addressed by the government, it will damage our ability to grow in 2023, 2024, moving forward.
Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association JMEA President John Mahfood with a warning that is likely to trigger alarm bells for policymakers. The local labor market is facing a serious shortage, especially of skilled workers, and it could negatively impact the country's economic outlook. The business leader gave an example of one business that is short nearly 1,000 workers.
We are hearing about this from all sectors, including the BPO, tourism, manufacturing, and general services. This even goes to the extent of Kentucky Fried Chicken, where they were short 800 employees and had to start a TV campaign to try and encourage people to apply.
Mr. Mahfood acknowledged the pandemic was partly to blame for the weaknesses of some Jamaican workers. Many of the present workers were students just over 2 years ago who grappled with learning loss and never became job market ready. He said he has seen firsthand the negative impact of the 2-year disruption at a primary school in the inner city where he serves as board chairman. It is why he's fearful the damage done to the students due to the disruption could haunt Jamaica in the next few years.
So you can imagine that 2.5-year gap going through the system, through high school, and for those kids to be turning into potential employees. This has far-reaching impact both on our children themselves, but also on our economic development and crime.
The JMEA president is therefore asking for state intervention to build the capacity of Jamaican workers. In the meantime, Mr. Mahfood said the situation around inflation is improving.
Things have improved a lot recently in terms of raw materials and packaging availability, but we're not out of the woods.
He was speaking in St. James Wednesday at the media launch of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce Expo. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.